Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to be looking at a comparison between two wallets, that is Coinbase wallet and OKX Web3 wallet. We want to see which crypto wallet wins. So if you're a crypto fan, stay tuned. Today we're comparing two heavyweights. Which one should you use? Now when it comes to ease of use, Coinbase wallet is super friendly. Let's put it this way, it is super beginner friendly. It is great for newbies. While OKX Web3 wallet is slick but slightly more advanced. When it comes to supported chains, Coinbase wallet has about 10 plus supported chains like Ethereum and Solana, while OKX Web3 wallet has about 50 plus chains, which is better for DeFi and alternate coins, that is ALT coins. When it comes to DAPP access, Coinbase wallet, yes, has it, but it's limited, while OKX Web3 wallet has full Web3 browser plus DeFi integration. When it comes to fees, Coinbase wallet has a higher gas fees, and OKX Web3 wallet has lower fees plus built-in gas optimizer. When it comes to security, Coinbase wallet has non-custodian plus biometric login, while OKX has non-custodian and MPC encryption, which is more secure. And lastly, when it comes to staking, Coinbase wallet is limited, while OKX Web3 wallet you can earn interest on about 100 plus coins. So what we're saying in essence, Coinbase wallet is equal to best for beginners and simple swaps, while OKX Web3 wallet is better for DeFi pros and multi-chain traders. So which wallet do you prefer? Drop a comment, like and subscribe for more crypto showdowns. Hope you found this video helpful.